Hello, welcome to my channel, and this particular video will be about writing section in IELTS Academic. So we'll be mostly discussing 3 points in this particular video. That is the format that we have to follow, the formula that I was talking about for the report writing and the essay writing. Second topic will be about the tips and tricks that can boost up your score other than the format. The third, what should be your preparation strategy? How can you prepare in the most efficient way? So guys, now on the screen you will see 3 videos popping up on the black screen. You can select any video and move on to that particular section. If you wish to move back to the main menu, you can click on the card popped up right now. Thank you.